Hi guys, good morning. I am back in Delhi. It's actually very cold, but it's very sunny. So I'm just gonna try to find a place to stand and talk. But I'm here because my best is getting married, and this is something that we've been about since I can remember. Like probably since the third grade, we've been speaking that when gets married, we'll do this, we'll do that. So he's finally getting married. Very excited. That's Barney at the back doing something. Anyways, so I'm very excited. Today is the Sangeet and tomorrow is the wedding, and I will be going for both functions. I'm just gonna sit here and talk now. Anyways, for this wedding, the plan is that me and Abhilasha will go together. You know Abhilasha. Yeah, so we'll go together, and Vrinda's going to be performing today. So very excited, and hopefully I can shoot that a little bit, and maybe she'll let me put it up. But yeah, I haven't been to a wedding in a very long time. Like the last time I went to a wedding, I was probably, I want to say like 13, which is like almost 10 years ago, which is crazy. But I love weddings, and I love the fact that I'm from the boys' side, because I feel like the girls' side is always too sad, I don't know why it's like this. I don't know why in Indian culture we think that, beti ki shaadi hai to wo ja rahi hai ghar se. Because now everyone basically goes from the house and they live separately. But yeah, it's fun to be from the boys' side. You get to do the barat, you get to do all the fun stuff. So yeah, I will hopefully show you. I have to go get ready. My hair is extremely dirty and oily. But I'm like, no. Only when I have to wash it for the night is when I'm gonna wash it. So I haven't washed it since morning. And yeah, the wedding is vegetarian, and as you all know, I'm hardcore non-veg. But there's gonna be alcohol, so that is a plus point to them. Very excited, and yeah, hopefully we'll see. Look who's come! Hi, Bani. Thank you. Yeah, you're gonna get sunscreen all over you if you lick my face. Oh, that's Bani. He is only 4 years old. Okay, never mind. He's 4 years old. He's a COVID baby. So if you sneeze or cough around him, he's gonna get scared. So don't do that. Otherwise, extremely friendly, extremely sweet dog. Will not bark. That's useless of him. The fact that he doesn't bark at my friends is great, but the fact that he doesn't bark at anyone is quite useless. I think for that you need like a German Shepherd. He is not a guard dog. Look at him. The outfit is a white outfit that I got made from my nani sari. It's very pretty. So I think I'm gonna wear that tonight. I haven't actually ever worn white because my mom never used to allow me, but now that it's a little bit in fashion, she's like, yeah, okay, fine, you can wear white. I don't know, because I guess white and black at a wedding is not something, but now she's like, yeah, whatever, doesn't matter. Guys, this is how I film my videos. Varni is very excited with the tripod, so we're gonna try. Okay, Varni, thank you. Sit down. Sit. Good boy. We're gonna try and put him in the video, but he is a highly hyper dog, so yeah, he's probably not gonna make it. There you go. So for those of you who don't know, I think I have a very off dressing sense, and people who knew me in college knew that this is what I would wear all day, every day. I bought these I have purple pants, red pants, fluorescent pink pants. I don't know what I'm doing. Mommy, want to say hi to everyone on my vlog. Not interested whatsoever. This sweatshirt that I'm wearing was given to me by Tanya and Angad, I think 4-5 years ago, and actually it was not dull. It was a very bright tie-dye sweatshirt which I have worn and washed and made this basically. So if anyone ever wants to give me a gift, clothes is the correct option because I hate shopping. Thanks. Guys, we're back in the parlor. You know what I want to do? This. Also, I have bought red dye, so at a point you'll probably see my hair being dyed red, and then I'll chop it all off. That's the plan. So, guys, this is my outfit for the night. Jata auntie made this outfit for me very sweetly. She made it like I'm the worst person. Like, I just give my nap and I'm like, jo karna hai karo. I'm very bad at trying. So basically, I'm just bad at getting clothes. Not good at shopping, not good at trying, just not good at anything. But she did a superb job. This is my nani's old sari that she has used to make into this lehenga. And I love that because I hardly wear saris and I love wearing like older clothes. That is my mom. So I'm gonna go and I will talk to you later. So we are heading to the venue. I don't know how much you can like see because it's pretty dark, but it's only 1 hour 15 minutes away, and we are not even 5 minutes from our house and we're stuck in traffic. That's my mom. She's finally ready. Oh my god, you're looking full dark. You can't see anything. No, wait. Yeah, that's my mom. She's fully ready, so now she's going to smile for the camera. That's my dad. He's just not interested in like, but yeah, so we're going to be sitting here for 1 hour. I don't know what I'm supposed to do because my phone is also going to die, which is such a smart genius move. I knew I had charged my portable charger. I was just like, should I bring it? Should I bring it? Should have just brought it, but well, never mind. This is my mother who was like, why are you bringing chicken in the car? And she's the first person to open it. Guys, we have reached the wedding. That's Vrinda. That's Abhi. So beautiful. So pretty. Looking like a wow. But we don't know anyone, so we're like, we don't know anyone here. It's quite awkward. Me and Abhi are just standing and having a drink, which is also, it's too cold to do. But I'm excited because Bree is going to do 2 dances. Suri's dream is coming to life right now. Good morning. It is the next morning. We have all woken up at 12 o'clock. Partied really hard last night. Came back at 5 a.m. That's my dad. He's looking like Thakur for some reason. But yeah, now we're gonna go see what clothes we have to wear for the wedding, and then start getting ready again. I love Shadi Ka Ghar. Nuts. Hi, Bunny. Hi guys, so this is what I wore to the reception. I unfortunately could not vlog before that because there was too much kalesh happening in my house, and I got ready actually very late, and I had to run. I reached when the fairas were happening, and then Sachin Jigar performed, and then I was like, okay, good night, ho gaya mera. Yeah, and I partied too hard last night, but congratulations to the couple, and yeah, I have to go for a dance class tomorrow, so I better go sleep because it's 1. Okay, bye.